Hi, my name is Craig Gordon. I represent the N.E.A.D Foundation, N.E.A.D USA.org. That stands for Nutrition and Exercise versus Addiction and Disease. Today I'd like to talk to an infamous word I refer to as prevention. How many times in your life have you heard prevention? I think it's one of the most used and maybe abused words in the English language. Why do I say abused? Because we talk about prevention countless times in our lives, and it seems to be, in many cases, meaningless. It's talk, it's good intention, it's a topic of conversation. It's we talk to the kids about it. Our doctor talks to us about it. The drug counselors talk to us about it. Criminal justice talks about it. Academia talks about it. Everybody talks about it. But does that really matter in human behavior and what we do about prevention for ourselves? Usually not. We seem to have to learn the hard way. So, what does prevention mean in America? Not that much. It's been put out there and talked about for the last 50 years, every day, all the programs, all the social service, the criminal justice, the academia, the medical, on and on and on. There's very little funding for prevention. So it does not get the right time of day financially. There is a minimal of incentive that's provided, and we have to start to take personal responsibility and do our own personal thing about preventing disease and preventing mental health issues and preventing crime and preventing all sorts of different behaviors that damage families. So how do we do that? Well, all this stuff needs, all prevention needs teeth. Maybe we need to redefine prevention. Maybe, like I've been saying for a very long time, health is prevention. Health is effective prevention. Why do I say that? Well, the healthier we get as individuals, the better our brains work. The better our brains work, the better decisions we make, the better choices we make. Okay, the better behavior we engage in. The healthier behavior that doesn't have a horrible downside. Then we have healthier thoughts, healthier activities, healthier friends, and it's really about health. So good health is actually prevention, effective prevention, prevention that works for all of us. So we need to take care of ourselves so that our brains fire up, so we can use what I call life tools to making good decisions. That's instinct, that's intuition, that's ability to reason, that's patience, and that's a clear mind. So that we behave, we make decisions, we learn, we have the capacity to learn, and we understand all the benefits and the consequences of decision making, big and small. This is easy. This isn't that tough to understand. So The healthier we become, the better decisions we make. The better decisions we make, the more we can prevent all the different things that we run into in America. So we spend $3.5 trillion on health care, which I kind of call sickness care in this country. And 3/4 of that 3.5 trillion, or approximately 2.75 trillion, is preventable. What do you think America could do with an extra $2.75 trillion? Staggering, staggering amounts of money. You couldn't even begin to imagine how many tractor trailers full of cash that is, that we could redeploy into positive stuff that would actually help the public every day aim the gun away from their own foot. So these good health habits, exercise, eating healthy food, eliminating the obvious insults, the coffee, the sugar, the cigarettes, the booze, the drugs, the over-the-counter drugs, the prescription drugs. Eliminate whatever you can within reason to make your body and mind work at a higher capacity so that we could have better relationships and we can discover our potential and purpose and sidestep the landmines that people get hit with constantly in this country. With all that money we spend in academia and with medical interventions and so forth, prevention gets very little. So we want to discover our potential and our purpose. If we're trying to do that, why would we want to get involved in alcohol, drugs, and poor behavior? You wouldn't. It doesn't make sense. So health is effective prevention. My name is Craig Gordon. I represent the N.E.A.D Foundation, N.E.A.D.USA.org. Please like, share, and subscribe, and make some comments. I want to hear from you. Thank you very much. Have a great life, and take care of yourself.